Hi, this is Jason from Access Fixtures. What if your existing safety bollards could do more than stop vehicles? What if they could actively deter ram raids, protect your perimeter day and night, and add a level of ambience? SECU solar bollard lights convert standard 6-inch bollards into illuminated security assets, eliminating the need for wiring, trenching, or disruption. Powered by the sun and built with extreme life LEDs, SECU easily converts new and existing security bollards or safety bollards into security bollard lights. Let's take a closer look. Why do standard bollards fall short at night? They stop vehicles, but in darkness they disappear, leaving properties vulnerable to ram raids and break-ins. Without lighting, bollards are passive barriers. With SECU solar bollard lights, they become visible deterrents that protect around the clock, illuminating spaces so people feel safe while showcasing a welcoming, well-lit environment. What makes solar bollard lights the smarter choice? SECU delivers illumination without wiring, trenching, or the need for electricians. Powered entirely by the sun, SECU slides onto existing security bollards and instantly provides reliable light. It's security lighting redefined, sustainable, cost-effective, and maintenance-free. Have a standard security bollard that needs an upgrade? The conversion process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, remove any existing decorative covers to reveal the core steel post. Next, slide your new SECU bollard sleeve right over the existing bollard, place the custom solar light head on top, and tighten the set screws. Instantly, a basic security post becomes a high-end illuminated bollard, enhancing both safety and the welcoming, well-lit appearance of your property. What makes SECU different from ordinary bollards? SECU is an innovative solar-powered sleeve that slides directly over standard 6 inches outside diameter security bollards, instantly converting them into illuminated perimeter lights. Available in 44-inch and 56-inch sleeve heights, to retrofit typical 36-inch and 48-inch above-grade security bollards. SECU delivers powerful all-night illumination without wiring, trenching, or utility costs. It's a retrofit solution designed for both new and existing bollards, transforming passive barriers into active security bollard lights. What performance can you expect from SECU? Housing, aluminum sleeve with die-cast aluminum head, marine-grade finish. Lens, durable polycarbonate lens with Type 4 or Type 5 optics. LED options 3000, 4000, 5000 Kelvin white light or 590 nanometer amber LEDs for wildlife and turtle-friendly applications. Output 3 watts, 390 lumens, 130 lumens per watt efficiency. Height optional 44 or 56 inches tall. Durability IP66 rated against dust and powerful water jets and IK07 impact resistant. Longevity L70 rated at 270,000 hours, backed by our 5-year warranty. How can SECU adapt to your site's needs? Solar remote control for easy adjustments. House side shield to direct light and reduce spill. Automatic dusk to dawn operation for seamless nighttime illumination. Wildlife and turtle-friendly 590 nanometer amber output for environmentally sensitive areas. Before we wrap up, here are a few commonly asked questions about SECU solar bollard lights. Can SECU retrofit my existing security bollards? This is the #1 concern for buyers who already have bollards installed. SECU's ability to slide over standard 6-inch outside diameter safety bollards makes it a true retrofit solution, converting new and existing security bollards into security bollard lights without replacing infrastructure. How does SECU install and what does it require? Ease of installation is critical. SECU is designed for straightforward mounting. Slide the body over the bollard, tighten the set screws, and you're done. You need an Allen wrench, but there's no wiring, trenching, or utility disruption. Does SECU meet wildlife-friendly and durability requirements? For coastal and environmentally sensitive projects, the 590 nanometer amber LED option ensures turtle-friendly compliance. For all other applications, SECU offers 3000, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin color temperature options. With a marine-grade finish, IP66 rating, and LEDs rated L70 at 270,000 hours, SECU is designed and manufactured to withstand the harshest environments. Where is SECU best applicable? SECU solar bollard lights are trusted in diverse environments. Municipal walkways, where visibility and safety are critical for pedestrians. Retail storefronts that need deterrence against ram raids and nighttime break-ins without looking like a war zone. Logistics hubs and distribution centers where reliable off-grid lighting improves security and operations. Wildlife preserves and coastal zones where the 590 nanometers amber LED option provides turtle-friendly, regulation-compliant illumination. From high-traffic commercial sites to environmentally sensitive areas, SECU delivers visibility, deterrence, and proven reliability, day and night. Access Fixtures designs and manufactures SECU solar-powered security bollard lights to easily convert security or safety bollards into reliable illuminated LED security bollard lights. SECU delivers high-output illumination that protects pedestrians and property, deterring ram raids and unauthorized access, while creating well-lit, welcoming environments. With options such as wildlife-friendly 590 nanometer amber LEDs, marine-grade finishes, and extreme life performance, SECU is engineered to meet diverse project requirements. To learn more or request a quote, visit accessfixtures.com or call 800-468-9925.